Today we're cooking my ultimate Australia Day breakfast. Sweet potato and zucchini fritter, smoked salmon, poached eggs, just the right amount of lemon. Perfect for any Australian day. In my bowl I've got my self-raising flour, my sweet potato, my zucchini, two whole eggs, half teaspoon of white pepper. Now you can use ordinary cracked pepper if you want, but I find the white pepper is just a little bit better because it's finer and you don't get any little bits when you're chewing these zucchinis. I want to put in some nice fresh feta, Danish feta. It's really good. And then a squeeze of 1 lemon. And this is really going to make the difference between just an ordinary zucchini fritter and a perfect one, because just that little bite of lemon in there really makes a difference. Salt. Now we're just going to slowly just bring it together. And you just want to break up the egg just before you add in any milk, otherwise it tends to get a little bit clumpy straight in with our milk. And you want to just stir it till all that flour is combined, making sure there's no lumps. Set it aside, let it rest for 10 minutes. While we're resting our zucchini fritter, let's get our poached eggs done. So I've just got some hot water here and I've got a good dash of white vinegar. Just give that a good stir. And while the water is still turning, you want to crack in your eggs. And you want this to simmer, but you don't want it to boil rapidly, so just on a medium heat. And let them work away for 3 minutes. Now with our fritter mix, just gonna get a nice spoonful. Just drop it into the oil. And it's important that we don't overcrowd the basket here. Give it a little shake just to make sure they come up. And just let them kind of cook out for about 4 to 5 minutes at 170 Celsius. Time to put it all together. So we got our sweet potato and zucchini fritter, and then we're going to get this beautiful smoked salmon, and this is Tasmanian smoked salmon. And you can't really go wrong with smoked salmon unless you get the really cheap kind, which has not really been smoked at all. It's just been, it has the smoke essence to it, which is not really the same thing. So if you pay just a little bit more, you're going to get a far better product. Just folding it over. And then with my 2 eggs, just going to put one just slightly over the other. I've got some more of that feta, that Danish style feta. Just crumble over the top. And of course a little bit of olive oil just to finish it off. And just on the off chance you just need a little bit extra lemon, just place one on the side. And there you have it, my favourite Australian Day breakfast.